In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Southwest Rapid Rewards number. If you need to look up your Rapid Rewards number for a booking, account access, or simply to keep it saved for future travel, the process is very quick inside the Southwest Airlines app. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it so you can locate it without any confusion. To begin, open the Southwest Airlines app on your phone. Make sure you're using the official app and that it has fully loaded before moving on. If you haven't opened it in a while, it may take a moment to refresh, especially if your device is updating in the background or your connection is slow. Once you're on the login screen, sign in using your username or your account number along with your password, and then tap Login. If your login information is saved on your phone, this part may happen automatically. Just be sure you're signing into the correct Southwest account, especially if more than one traveler uses the same device. That will help you avoid pulling up the wrong rewards number. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the profile icon. This will take you into your account profile where your personal account details are shown. If the app layout looks slightly different on your device, don't worry. The profile area is still typically found near the top of the screen and is usually represented by a person-shaped icon or profile image. On the profile screen, you'll see your Rapid Rewards number displayed directly beside your name at the top. This number is 11 digits long, so it should be easy to recognize once you're in the right place. That's the number you can use whenever you need to manage bookings, earn points, or verify your account. If you plan to use it often, it can be helpful to save it somewhere secure for easy access later, such as a password manager or another protected place on your device. Just make sure you keep your account information private and avoid sharing sensitive login details. And that's all it takes. Open the Southwest app, log in, tap the profile icon, and your 11-digit Rapid Rewards number will appear beside your name. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find your Southwest Rapid Rewards number quickly and easily.